This 2025, Adebola, I am not losing money. I am not losing money. And that's why today I will be sharing with you 5 investments I will be avoiding in 2025. The first one, meme stocks. No ways. Or meme coins, whatever it's called. I am not putting my money into it in 2025. My heart goes out to all those who bought Donald Trump meme coin. You lost money and I am so sorry. No, so sorry I laughed. I shouldn't be laughing. But honestly, if you don't understand something enough, don't put your money into it. You must understand something before you part with your money. Whatever meme coin this year, I'm not putting my money into it because I realized that they don't have any strong fundamentals. You know, it's not like a company where you can check, okay, what's the revenue, what's the profit, what's the, price earning ratio. You cannot check anything. It is just rising and falling based on hype and social media buzz. So I will not be putting my money around anything meme coin this year. No, I am an manageable girl. We look for how to grow our money, not how to lose it. Number 2, I am not putting my money into any business that doesn't have a clear plan. Somebody called me last year, said she is looking for investors. She would like me to invest in her business, or if I know anyone who will be happy to invest in her business. And I said, okay, let me see what the business looks like. Just send me some document. Let me just read. She verbally explained it to me and all that. And I said, just send me something, like a document. How have you been doing? I try to explain to her to say, if anybody's going to part with their money, they want to say, how has the business been growing so far? What has been your returns? What has been your revenue? We just want to see something. Okay, no problem. I'm going to send you something. And then she sent me something. It was like a page, a page document, Microsoft Word document, 1 page. It doesn't have any numbers. It doesn't have any projections. It doesn't have any, it just says what the business is about. And then a couple of things that, she wants, which is basically she wants this money. If we can give her this money, I'm like, I didn't even respond. And I didn't respond because I didn't know where to start, because I won't be the one telling you, you have to show this. For somebody to part with it's our money, they need to understand that the money is going to come back at some point. So any business, and this is not even just external businesses, this is also for my own business. If I am going to run any business this year, or if I'm going to put life into any business idea, I have to be sure of the revenue potentials. I have to be sure of the profit potentials of that business idea. My business mentor would always say, you have to be very, very clear about, before committing your money and even your time into it, you have to be sure that it's a viable idea. Somebody somewhere is ready to part with his or her money to get your service or get your products. You have to do your research, and you see, based on that, I would be sure that a business idea that I have has that, potential to return whatever I invest into it. So this year, I'm going to be very mindful about where I put my money. And that's also largely because I don't want to lose it. And I also understand that sometimes you don't get returns on your investments, immediately. But there has to be potential. There has to be potentials that this thing can actually be monetized in the nearest future, or this thing can actually return the money in the nearest future. So this year, whether it is my business or external business, I am not committing my money into it unless I am dead sure my money is going to come back. Another thing I put here is crypto. No. I remember I said last year, I think it was one of my videos, or maybe it was during one of my programs. By the way, I run masterclasses on a monthly basis, teaching people, especially beginners, how to start their investment journey. If you want to be part of any of my sessions, I'll put the link in the description. Feel free to join any of the sessions, and I will be teaching you how to make your first investment. And trust me, if I can teach a 4-year-old this, I can teach you. So it doesn't matter whether you don't have any prior knowledge about investing, I will teach you, and you will start making money from investing, you will start learning how to grow your money. And I would also guide you on the platforms to use. I use 2 platforms and I will guide you on those 2 platforms. All right. So I said last year, I will do maybe 1% of my portfolio will be crypto. But I've changed my mind. This year, I want to be building, not losing money. So I said to myself that I am not doing it this year. And if you really want to put your money in crypto, please do the regulated crypto. Do Bitcoin or Ethereum. Don't just go for all this unregulated crypto. And don't put any money you're not ready to lose. If you're not ready to lose your money, don't put your money there. I would advise you put your money in low-cost index fund, or high interest yielding accounts. Those are things that at least your money is safe. Okay, the next one I put here, get rich quick schemes. You know what? Bring your money in 1 month, will give you 50% returns on it, or all this affiliate marketing thing. Add 10 people, on each person you get £1,000, and as they sign up more people, you get £200. Skip me. Skip me. I'm not doing any of the, I'm not even moving close to things that I don't understand. That's it. And I would advise you don't as well. I have heard of a lot of scams moving around, ripping people of their hard-earned money. And I also think that, if you're not a greedy person, if you're not looking to, double, your investment in 2 days, in 3 days, you would avoid things like that. Don't put your money into those things, because most times you may be lucky the first time. Trust me, they are drawing you nearer, and then when it's time, they strip you of your money. So I won't be doing anything that is too good to be true. Trust me, it's too good to be true. So I'm not going to be doing that this year. The last one, I think last year, I put my money in some high fee index fund. This year, I am going to be super careful. If anything is above, 0.10, I wouldn't be doing it this year. And this is expense ratio, that's basically the fee on your ETFs. I know S&P 500, some, for example, VU, I think VU is about 0.03%, and there are some that are very, very low, 0.08. But I did some last year, I think one was about 0.4, and I'm like, how did I make this mistake? So this year I will be looking to go for, low cost index fund. And this is very important, because sometimes you think, oh, this, I'm saying 0.0, you're thinking, oh, it's small. 0.4 is small. I think it depends on the size of your portfolio as well. So you have to be very mindful before putting your money into, those things, because again, you never can tell how huge your portfolio is going to be someday, and that percentage, if you compare it, it will be sizable. So you have to go for low cost index fund. This year, I am having sense to go for really, really low cost index fund. So those are the 5 things I wouldn't be putting my money on this year. The first one, meme stocks, no. Businesses that don't have a clear plan, no. Crypto, no. Get rich quick scheme, no. And then the last one is IFE mutual funds. I wouldn't be putting my money into any IFE index fund or mutual funds this year. I am protecting my money jealously this year, because we are about growing money here, not losing money. I'll see you in the next video.